Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you one of the signature dishes from the Bengali cuisine. It is prepared with fish head, rice and potatoes, that is Muri Ghonto. Muri Ghonto itself is a very flavored dish. The word Muri stands for fish head and Ghonto means mushy curry. So let's check out the ingredients. First, take a pan. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Then I am adding potatoes. Here I have taken 2 medium size of potatoes and chopped them into a small pieces. Fry the potatoes on lower medium flame till the potatoes are soft and golden in color and cover them for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, open the lid and I am checking the potatoes. So the potatoes have become soft. Now I will wait for them to turn golden in color. So you can see that the potatoes are nice golden in color. Take them out into a bowl and keep them aside. For Muri Ghonto, we need some Gobindo bhog rice. So here I have taken 100 grams of Gobindo bhog rice, wash it and soaked it for 10 minutes. After that I am going to fry the fish head. For marinating the fish head, first add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Here I have taken 200 grams of Katla fish head, or you can also use raw fish head. For frying the fish, in the same pan add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Heat the oil properly, then add the fish head. Fry it on medium flame till it will well cooked from both the sides. So the Katla fish head is fried properly. Take them out into a bowl and keep it aside. You can see that lots of oil already in the pan, so I am not adding any extra oil to making this curry. In the same oil, I am adding 1 bay leaf, 1 dry red chili and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Stir it. Then add the onion slices. Here I have taken 2 medium size of onions. Fry the onions for 2 to 3 minutes till it becomes soft and translucent. Once the onions have turned nice golden in color, then add 3 pieces of green chili, 1 tablespoon of cumin and coriander paste. Here you can also use cumin and coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Mix all the spices together and fry it on lower medium flame till the raw smell goes away. After that I am adding 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Then add salt as per your taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix all the dry spices with the masala and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame till all the spices are well cooked. After 4 minutes, stir it. Then I am adding little bit of sugar, around 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. So the masala is cooked well, then I am adding the soaked Gobindo bhog rice. Give it a good mix and fry it for 2 minutes. If you don't have Gobindo bhog rice, then as an alternative you can use basmati rice. After 2 minutes I am adding the fried potatoes. Mix it well so that all the spices get well combined with the potatoes. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and the fried fish head. Cook it on medium flame for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes you can see that it's fried well. Then add 2 cups of lukewarm water. Cover it for 5 to 8 minutes on lower medium flame till the rice is cooked properly. After 8 minutes open the lid and check the rice is cooked or not. So the rice is cooked properly. Lastly, I am adding 2 teaspoons of ghee. Mix it well. Now I am covering it to preserve the flavor. Turn the flame off. So our delicious Muri Ghonto is ready to be served, and it's a perfect side to accompany with piping hot steamed rice. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, eat good, feel good. Bye.